Hey, what up, Pray for Traction fam? So, I've got a car that I've been trying to get for a long time, pretty much my whole life. It's like one of your dream cars, if you will, but this one's not in perfect condition. But I finally found one, made a deal with the guy at like midnight, and woke up at 5 o'clock and got the truck ready. I'm about to make a 9-hour drive one way, and it's gonna be a long drive. So, since I didn't get very much sleep, decided to try some Celsius. If you guys watch DDE, I like them. Shout out to you guys. Figure I'll try it, see what this is all about. Wow, this one's sparkling Fuji apple pear. I don't really like pears, but it tastes pretty good. No sugar, no preservatives. Decent stuff. But anyway, yeah, I'll try to film some of this and make a video for you guys. But we'll do a reveal. I don't think I've told you what it is yet. But anyway, thanks for sticking with me. Peace. All right, guys. So just made a stop and picked up some money from the bank and also someone else. So that's Slick Rick. Monster truck. Still got a long drive, so get back on the road.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredients, but they see it, they never get me. But I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Alright, so a little bit of an update. We're at a Love's and got a blanket, pillow. This is gonna be the hotel for the night. Because drove 12 hours, got the car, it's on the trailer. Driving 12 hours back, tired as hell, but I think I was gonna make it. Out of nowhere, the trailer lights, the running lights blow. Go and get fuses, put them in, come back on, pop. So there's a short somewhere. All the wiring for the trailer is built into the frame, so I don't have the necessary tools to diagnose where the short's at. But the brake lights, turn signals, all that still work on it, but since it's dark outside, we're a danger on the roadway. So just gonna have to nap for a couple hours and should be daylight. Get back on the road. What up, Slick Rick?
go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
right, so finally got her off the trailer. There she is. I don't know why the hell that they would put that on there. I mean, what are they gonna do, tow a radio flyer? But that's gonna be one of the first things to go. All right, guys, so as you see, it's a 1964 Impala. It's near and dear to my heart. You know, I grew up building mini trucks, lowriders. A lot more trucks I've bagged than doing hydros, because bags is a lot less maintenance. Hydros is a lot more violent, more fun, but you know, things break more often. But ultimately, that's the goal with this Impala, is I'm going to build to a lowrider, put on some hydros. So stick with it. All right, guys. So as you can see, I don't have the monster truck no more. This is, you know, just another truck. But what we're going to do is we're going to go pick up the Impala from the drive shaft shop, driveline shop, and we're going to take it to my buddy on his house. So unfortunately, you know, I don't have the means to make those myself, but it's always good to know people. You know, for the stuff that you can't do, need to know people. So shout out to those guys. All right, guys, so got the Impala back on the trailer. Unfortunately, it's not the best of news. So when I got to the drive shaft place to pick it up, they said that they couldn't put the drive shaft in because the transmission needs to be pointed up a little further, like it's angled down just a little bit. So I'm gonna have to adjust the cross member. And then I said, okay, that's fine, I'll put it in. Then all of a sudden, the custom drive shaft that they'd made, they couldn't get it to balance. So just had to load up the car, and it has no drive shaft. On top of that, my buddy, who I normally promote for everyone, just been leaving me on red. I've kept him updated for about 2 weeks, trying to figure out what was going on with this exhaust, and I guess he's just not interested in doing the work. So I'll source something else. But anyway, thanks for sticking with me, guys. So the last clip you seen there, I was at the gas station. I was talking about what happened. It's pretty much a wasted trip. There's a little bit of a spread in the videos here. I showed you basically where I went and got the car and brought it back. I've done a lot of stuff to the car before I was taking it to get the drive shaft made and the exhaust put on, but that's going to be in an upcoming video. I'm going to make a video for you guys explaining, showing you the car, showing you what I've done. Interesting story. I've done a lot of stuff to that car. So the exhaust shop that I've promoted for a long time, me and him had a disagreement, so I'm having to source someone else. So that's why I cut that part out of the video of me mentioning him. So at the moment, what I'm going to do is waiting on the drive shaft place to tell me that mine is ready to go and pick that up from them. That's about 2 hours away from here. And maybe before then, depending on how long that takes, I'm going to take it to this new drive shaft shop, and I'll let you guys know how that goes with them. Actually, hold on, my mistake. The new exhaust shop to have the exhaust made. So maybe I can get the exhaust done before I get the drive shaft back from them. I don't know, but I'll keep you guys in the loop. And thank you so very much for watching and subscribing, comments, all that stuff. Love you guys. Peace.